Welcome to Marco Polo Travel. Join me, Paul, as I make my way from Guadalajara, Mexico, down to Patagonia overlanding, virtually all by bus transportation. One man, 17 countries, 12 epic months on the road.
As Guanajuato is steeped in an incredible valley, it offers you an exciting opportunity to get out there and jump on some of those mountains, hike up them, and go see exactly what those viewpoints are like. I don't know about you, but whenever I'm traveling, one of the main things I'm trying to do is get to the highest point of any city to really check out the views and take in the scenery. And Guanajuato offers some really special opportunities to do that. In this video, I'm going to go over the Cueva de la Bufa, which is a hike in Guanajuato, how to do it, how to get there, how long it takes. So please enjoy, and let's get into it. If you're starting the hike from the city center, historical center of Guanajuato, make your way towards the south. You get to here, this hospital clinic. From there, you start the route on the hike. You'll then walk up this dirt road. You'll start meandering your way all the way up, and you'll find the trail as well as other hikers where you can ask them how exactly to continue making it up. I went with my good buddy Rice, or as his friends like to call him, Arrocito. And to get up to the top, it took us about 45 to an hour. We were going pretty leisurely, taking some little videos and pictures along the way. While at the top though, this scenery is incredible. When you look out to the city, it looks just like you're on top of the entire city, which is so much fun. And then when you turn around, it looks like frickin' Narnia behind you, man. It is like Game of Thrones Season 1 when Ned Stark is chopping the dude's head off because he ditched the Night's Watch, and you're just looking out and seeing exactly what Ned Stark is experiencing. Game of Thrones nerds, what's up? But the hike itself, you can hang out there at the top for a little bit. There's also a cool little cross you can go and jump on. But here's just an idea of what it looks like from our vantage point behind. It really is an impressive place in the central Mexican highlands that if you're in the central region of Mexico, you need to add Guanajuato to your list. It's near León, 3 hours from Guadalajara, 3 hours from Mexico City. Definitely worth your visit. It's a funny legend that this hike actually has. La Cueva de la Bufa means the cave of the princess. The legend has it that there was a princess that used to live in a cave near the top of the mountain. In that cave, she would whisper out sweet nothings that would invade the male ear and really pique their interest. To get to her though, they would have to pack a bag with all of their things and bring it up to the cave to go and potentially live with her forever. However, on the way as they were walking up, she would not be saying the sweet nothings anymore. She would be whispering horrible things that would make a man go crazy. Now, I'm not sure what that witch was saying, but I would turn around after the first crazy thing. I am not dealing with crazy chicks. But so the legend has, no man ever made it up there, and the princess is still in there. I went to the cave, and I can tell you she is not there. If so, I would have definitely bought her a cerveza. But regardless, this hike is incredible. Make sure to put it on your list. La Cueva de la Bufa. On the way back down, it only took about 40 minutes. So roughly, if you take about 3 hours, maybe in 45 up, an hour to explore up there, and then 30 minutes down, you should be good to go. If you're interested in other things or the history of Guanajuato, make sure to check out my other video on Guanajuato and the entire rest of Mexico as I traverse through. Until next time, hasta luego.